good morning. This is Brian Feuder with Square Foot Gardening for the Red River Valley. It's Friday. It's Good Friday. It's April 3rd. And as always, on Good Friday, we need to put some potatoes in. I got a little bit of work to do before I can start planting potatoes. Let's take a walk out to the garden here. So as you can see, we got about 4 inches of snow. We're expecting another 6 to 12 inches of snow tonight and tomorrow. But my grandpa always said you plant potatoes on Good Friday. So we're going to plant potatoes. So let me get to work first. So as we plant our potatoes, we want to keep in mind that we've got a good potato. We generally want to cut that in half so that we have at least 2 to 3 eyes for each slice of potato that we're going to plant. We're going to dig our hole, and you can see I got nice, my ground's not froze. Actually, it's probably even a little bit dry. But we're going to go ahead and dig our holes. We're going to plant our potatoes eyes up. Place them in there. Cover those up. And it's just as simple as that. We've got our potatoes planted. It's Good Friday. Things are looking good. Spring is almost here. So thanks for watching. I hope you have a blessed Easter, and remember, keep those fingers dirty. This is Brian with Square Foot Gardening for the Red River Valley.